Next, we can discuss about statistics module. For that, we have to import statistics. Inside statistics modules, we have main function, mode function, and median function. In order to find the mean of list of values, we can use statistics function. For that, first we can write import statistics. Now see, x points to the list of values 1, 2, 3, 4. Then y equal to statistics dot mean dot x. We will get the mean value. That is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Then 10 divided by 4. When 10 is divided by 4, the answer will be 2.5. That is y points to 2.5. Now print y means we'll get the output 2.5. Now see here, next a is a variable that points to the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 30, 120, 120 plus 40, that is 120 plus 20, 140, 140 plus 10, 150. Then five values are there. So 150 divided by 5, 30. So the mean of list A is 30. So the output is 2.5 and 30. Now next, median. Median means the middle value. In order to import median function, we have to write import statistics x equal to 10, 15, 70, 190, y dot statistics medians. Middle value is 70. So y points to 70. Print y, the output will be 70. Then a equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Here there is no middle value. The middle values are 20 and 30. 20 plus 30, that is 50. 50 divided by 2, that is 25. So the median is 25. So the output is 70, 25. Next is mode. Mode is used to count the value that is having maximum number of occurrences. So see, x 5, 10, 11, 5, 70, 80, 5, 7. Here 5 occurred maximum. So y equal to statistics dot mode of x means y points to 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5 occurred. So print y, the answer will be 5. Now see, in A 2 occurred maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4. So median of A means, mode of A means 2. So the output will be 5, 2. So in order to use statistics function, we have to import statistics. Then we have to write statistics dot mode. Next, we are discussing about math module. In math module, first is the square root function to find the square root of a value. So x points to 25, then print math.sqrt. Math.sqrt of 25, that means 5. Then a equal to 36, b points to math.sqrt of 36, that is 6, print b 6. So the output will be 5, 6. Or instead of this, we can write like this: from math import sqrt. That means from the math function, we are importing only the square root. From the math module, we are importing only the square root function. So we can write like this: x equal to 25, print sqrt of x. So no need of writing math.sqrt. If we are using the keyword from, then we can specifically import functions from modules. So the output will be 5. Next is the power function. It is to find the power, in order to get the exponent values. For example, a equal to 5, b equal to 2. Math dot power a comma b, that is 5 comma 2, that is 5 raised to 2, that is 5 raised to 2, 25. See here, x equal to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to math dot power 2 comma 4. 2 raised to 4, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 16. So z points to 16, print z, it will be 16. So the output will be 25, 16. Now next is ceil function. The ceil function will return the smallest integer value not less than the specified value. Now see here, import math a equal to 300.16, then 4b equal to 401.72. Print math.ceil of a. That means the ceil function will return the smallest integer value which is not less than the specified value. So it will give one value greater than this. So the output will be 301. Now c equal to math.ceil. Then it will give the value which is not less than the specified value. So the value that is not less than the specified value. The given value is 401.72. So the answer will be 402. So this is the output. Next is the float function. In float function, it will give the closest integer value which is less than or equal to the specified value. That means using float function, we will get the value which is less than or equal to the specified value. So here a points to 300.16. So the value that is less than or equal to the specified value of 300 is 300.16. For 401.72, it is 401. So print math.float a, the output will be 300. Then c equal to math.float b, the value pointed by c will be 401. Print c, the output will be 401. So this is the output. Now next is the absolute function. It will give the absolute value. So import math a points to minus 15, b points to 16. So the absolute value of a will be 15 and b will be 16. So print math.fabs a. That means absolute value of a, that is 15. Now absolute value of b, it should be stored in c. That means 16. C points to 16. Print c. So this is the output. So this is all about the math module. So in this video, we have learned about statistics module, math module.